Hi campus, hope you're doing well. In this session, I'm going to give you an introduction to the capacity management. In particular, we will look into three aspects. What is capacity, measuring capacity, and coping with demand fluctuations. What is capacity and capacity management? Capacity decisions often determine capital requirements and therefore a large portion of fixed cost. Capacity also determines whether demand will be satisfied or whether facilities will be idle on a standby mode. If a facility is too large, portions of it will sit unused and add cost to existing production. If a facility is too small, customers and perhaps entire markets can be lost. So what is capacity management? Capacity management is the activity of understanding the nature of product or service demand and effectively planning and controlling capacity. Hotels and restaurants have unexpected and apparently random changes in demand from night to night, but also know from experience that certain days are on average busier than the others. So operations managers also have to make short-term capacity adjustments, which enables them to flex output for a short period, either on a predicted basis. For example, winter resort hotels have high demand during winter season, or at short notice. For example, someone decided to throw a wedding party at the hotel. In other words, capacity answers a question of how much can we make. Demand answers a question of how much does market require. And we need to do forecasting to answer a question of how can we match what's required with what we can make without wasting resources. Capacity measures rate at which operations transform input into output. We know it from input-output transformation process, where raw materials are transformed into final goods. In short, we can be looking at the number of phones that can be produced in a week, number of seats in the theater or movies, number of students in university. Bus with the capacity of 50 passengers, football stadium may be able to seat 50,000 spectators, and bonus example would be McDonald's branch, which can serve 600 customers per hour. The main question of dilemma to operations management would be, for example, how many surgeries to schedule in a day, or how many fire engines should airport have on standby? Because if you have little capacity, then you're missing an opportunity. If the capacity is underutilized, it leads to waste of resources, which in turn increases your costs. This was an introduction to what is capacity and capacity management. Now we can move to part 2 about measuring capacity. Please give this video a thumbs up and do take care of yourself and your loved ones. This was SITORA INOYATOVA, module leader for the Operations Management module at Westminster International University in Tashkent. Thank you.